Do you feel awkward during close conversation? Don't worry, you are not alone. Let's solve it together. Halitosis or bad breath is a symptom in which a noticeably unpleasant breath odor is present. Do you know halitosis affects approximately 30% of the population, that is 1 in 3 people around the globe. In this tutorial we will discuss the causes of bad breath and how to fix it. Why fix bad breath? Addressing bad breath is important for both social and health reasons. Socially, smell is one of our most intimate and primary senses, playing a significant role in attraction to a potential partner. Studies shows that 60% of men and 70% of women would avoid going on a date with someone who has bad breath. Over 40 million Americans suffer from chronic halitosis, leading to a 1 billion market over-the-counter halitosis products. Socially, it also boosts your self-confidence, creates a positive impression, and helps avoid embarrassment. Bad breath is a health indicator. Oral health. Persistent bad breath often signal underlying dental issues such as gum disease, tooth decay, or dry mouth. Systemic health. Chronic bad breath may also indicate medical conditions such as diabetes, sinus infection, or gastrointestinal issues. Now let's talk about the causes of bad breath. Have you ever noticed the foul smell of decaying body, rotten fruit, or spoiled eggs? That stench comes from bacteria breaking down organic matter and releasing smelly compounds. Now, here is something surprising. Similar bacteria live in your mouth. They produce the same sulfur compounds, which are a major causes of bad breath. The primary cause of bad breath or halitosis is a poor oral hygiene. When food particle remains in the mouth, they create an environment that encourages bacterial growth. These bacteria break down the debris, releasing sulfur compounds that cause an unpleasant odor. The tongue plays a significant role in bad breath because its texture surface can trap food particles and bacteria, which then decompose and release sulfur compounds. Or lifestyle could be the hidden cause of bad breath. Smoking and alcohol dry out your mouth, reducing saliva and allowing bacteria to thrive, leading to unpleasant odor. Your morning coffee or tea provide energy boost, but they can also contribute to dehydration and leave behind strong odors. Similarly, pungent foods like garlic, onion, cabbage, and radish release sulfur compounds that linger in your breath even after digestion. Spicy and sugary foods can change your oral pH, creating an environment that promotes bacterial growth and bad breath. How to fix bad breath? There is no single treatment for halitosis. Treatment depends on the root cause of the issue. Quick fixes for immediate relief: drink water frequently, chew sugar-free gum, use mouthwashes, which is antibacterial. Long-term solution for bad breath: brush twice a day, using a fluoride toothpaste to strengthen your teeth and fight cavities. Floss daily. Brushing only cleans 60% of your tooth. Flossing removes hidden debris and prevents bad breath. Clean your tongue using a tongue scraper or the back of your toothbrush to clean off the white coating on your tongue. It's bacteria and dead cells that contribute to bad breath. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to wash away food particles and keep saliva flowing. Diet. A diet that helps manage halitosis focus on reducing bacteria in the mouth, improving digestion, and maintaining gut healthy. Eating crunchy fruits and vegetables such as apples, carrots maintains fresh breath. Green tea contains polyphenols that kill bacteria and neutralize sulfur compounds responsible for bad breath. Herbs like parsley, mint, basil, fennel, and ginger, these are natural breath fresheners with antibacterial properties. When to visit a dentist for bad breath? If your bad breath persists despite good oral hygiene, it's time to see a dentist. If no oral issues are found, your dentist may refer you to a doctor to check for conditions like acid reflux, sinus problem, or other underlying medical concerns. Don't ignore persistent bad breath. It could be a sign of something more serious.